What is rectangular prism? Rectangular prism is a solid 3D shape that has two identical faces that are rectangles, 6 faces, edges, and vertices, just like a box. It's called prism because it has the same cross section all along its line. For example, real life, box, books, etc. Now let's solve a problem. A box has a length of 5 cm, a width of 4 cm, and a height of 3 cm. Find its volume. To get the volume, we need a formula of length times width times height. So volume is equals to 5 times 4 times 3. 5 times 4 is equals to 20 times 3 is 60. That's how you get the volume. To get the surface area, we need the formula of 2 is length times width plus length times height plus width times height. So we apply the values. 5 times 4 plus 5 times 3 plus 4 times 3. So we multiply this. 5 times 4 is equal to 20 plus 5 times 3 is equals to 15 plus 4 times 3 is equals to 12. So 2 is equals to 47. 2 times 47 squared is equals to 94. So, and that's how you get the surface area.